Welcome to this lesson, where we will learn how to find the lowest index at which a value should be inserted in an array to maintain its sorted order. This is a useful technique for working with ordered data structures, ensuring that new values are inserted in the correct position. Let's get started. The key challenge is to determine where a new value should be placed without disturbing the existing order. If a number already exists in the array, the new value should be inserted before it to maintain stability. This function first checks whether the array is sorted in ascending or descending order. It then scans the array using find index to locate the lowest valid position for insertion. If no valid index is found, the function returns the array's length, meaning the value should be placed at the end. The function first determines if the array is sorted in ascending or descending order. Then it uses the find index method to locate the correct insertion point. If no suitable position is found, the new value is inserted at the end of the array. This table demonstrates various test cases where the function identifies the correct insertion index based on whether the array is sorted in ascending or descending order. The function ensures that the new value maintains the sorted sequence. Finding the lowest insertion index is useful in various real-world scenarios, including sorting large datasets, maintaining leaderboards, managing search indexes, and handling data operations efficiently. In summary, this function provides an efficient way to insert values into a sorted array while maintaining order. However, it can be further optimized using binary search. This technique is particularly useful in real-world applications, where maintaining ordered data structures is essential. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.